Good luck, everybody. Oh, for odd numbers. Bowman Sterling Baseball. 4-box break 2012. 4-box case break. Good luck to you. Let's get some colorful cards for the good baseball players. Box 1. Pack 1. Lots of, oh my goodnesses. Oh, first card's backwards. Purple! Right out the get-go, we got a purple refractor, 1 out of 10. Anthony goes for the Bluejays. A little purple for you. artyusmc's got the Jays, very nice, 1 out of 10. We got a redemption on the back. See, nice Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Francisco. And Kevin Gausman for the O's. Sorry, Maxiho, no Bundy yet, but we got you on the board. Gausman. Duel is Andrew Heaney and Jose Fernandez for the Florida Marlins. That's the redemption duel. Andrew Heaney and Jose Fernandez. And the Marlins Braves combo, ajbcards. Well, hello there, Ken, and thank you. Well, there it is. Boom! You asked for it, you got it. Nice, Norland. There it is. Just what you wanted. Well, Meadowbrooks. Sick. Luke Bard for the Twins. Oh, you wanted one with ink. My bad. You didn't say that before. Mitch Nay for the Bluejays. Mitch Nay, that's a sticker one. And another sticker, the guy sticking his tongue out, Jamie Callahan for the Red Sox. The Twins is a combo, Tigers, Twins, njsportsmachine, another Blue Jay, and our first Red Sox. Norland. Wow, look, you got 2 cards in that pack. That was the guy you really wanted. We got a black, it looks like a black refractor. Regular refractor. Drew Pomeranz for the Colorado Rockies, rookie to 199. Keon Barnum for the White Sox. Keon Barnum. Chris Heston for the Giants. And Ty Hensley for the Yankees. Got a duel. Rizzo and Baez. Cubs and Cubs. Next in line. Lewis Brinson for the Rangers. Prospect autograph. Nice Nick Castellanos for the Tigers. Tigers Twins combo. Hey, thanks, Beamer. Hi. And Steve Bean. Steve Bean for the Cardinals. I believe, yeah, absolutes are full. I think everything's full right now again. I think everything's filled up second time through. The football's full, and now the basketball run back. Springer. Astros, George Springer. Refractor. 199. Got Jesse Winker for the Reds. Jesse Winker. He's always with this guy. David Vidal for the Reds. They're always together in the same box or same pack. Los Rojos. The Bus. And Yesmuel Valentin for the Dodgers. Wow. Alright, last pack of box 1. We only got 1 colored card. It was a purple base. So, can't get too greedy, I guess. But there's our prospect deal, and we got the duel. So, a couple of decent little case kind of hits. Nolan Arenado. He's pretty good. Can't get the focus, sorry. Rockies base. Got a sticker card, Tony Renda. Nationals. Carson Kelly sticker for the Cardinals. On card, Devin Marrero for the Red Sox. Boop, boop, boop. Box 2. Stickers, what the F? What do you mean? Bowman Sterling always has stickers. That's my favorite part about this year. People get mad about the stickers. Well, you should be happy about the ones that are on card for the first time. We should always get stickers in Bowman Sterling. Good luck. On the board. Now you got a couple. Or I think that's your second one. Alright, Xavier Avery for the Orioles. Base. Rookie auto for the Rays, Chris Archer. Sticker. Tyler McQuinn for the Indians. Tyler McQuinn. And Richard Schaefer for the Rays, too. 2 hits for the Rays in the same pack. Football coach. And Tyler McQuinn, Indians got both their guys. Or 2 of their guys at least. I'd say. King Sora. Ooh, we got a gold. Got a gold, looks like a gold auto on the back. Jordan Pacheco. Number to 199. Refractor for the Rockies. Rookie. Matthew Smoral. The Bluejays. Gavin Cecchini for the Mets. First Met. And the gold is Mitch Haniger for the Brewers. Number to 50. That is gdubb. gdubb's got blue proof. First gold auto of our break. Our first Met, too. I'm going to note them. Jason Hayward, 22. Jamie's got the Mets. Archie Bradley to 199 for Los D-backs. Refractor auto Steve Clevenger to 199. Somebody's knocking on the door. Like people tapping right outside. Joey Gallo for the Rangers. Solicitors. Irving had to answer the door for the solicitors. Awesome. For the Astros, Nolan Fontana. They're doing their sell pitch on Irving right now. Jamison Tyon for the Pirates. Jonathan Shoup for the Orioles. Second Oriole hit. Not Bundy still. Barrett Barnes for the Pirates. Las Piratas. And another Brewer, Victor Roach. Victor Roach for the Brewers. Get your prospect challenge card. Not right now, Big Odin. Not until we open up another break. Everything's full as of right now. Bryce Harper and Anthony Rendon for the Nationals. Duel. Got Chris Owings for the D-backs. So I can get the focus on him. Come, baby. There he is. D-backs, Owings. Sean Nolan for the Blue Jays. And we got a redemption. Pat Light. Prospect auto. I think Pat Light is Red Sox. Boston Red Sox. Pat Light. Second redemption. Come dinger. No more color. AJ Griffin for the Athletics. Base. For the Cardinals, James Ramsey. James Ramsey, inscribed, John 635. Swinging a metal bat. TPX Exo bat. Nice. In the big leagues. Swinging metal bats. Like pointing that out every time we pull them. It's fun. Kevin Plawecki for the Mets. And another Cardinal. Stephen Piscotty. Stack them up, Clyde. Stacking those hits. Cardinals. 2 boxes dead. 2 boxes to go. We need a little injection of color. Like that. If you could just do that. Yeah, there'll be more posted, I guess. Why not? If they keep filling up, we'll keep posting them. It's going to be probably relatively early still. I don't know. We'll see. I'll say that now. Can't see. Sorry. Joe Kelly for the Cardinals. Wow, he's even getting base cards now. Those are even tougher. There's only one of those a pack. Tougher than getting an autograph. Get 2 autos a pack, only 1 base. David Vidal. He's always with that other guy in the Reds. The other guy in the Reds comes in front of him. Yeswell Valentin for the Dodgers. And Nicholas Travieso for the Reds. There's always a lot of Reds in this, huh?
Yep.
Who was it?
Some girls going around door to door trying to
sell you what?
Something about the Daily News or something like that.
Oh, Daily News, really?
Yeah.
You know that they got me for that before, and then I
really?
got the Daily News, and I kept calling them and didn't want the damn Daily News anymore. And I kept coming and coming. It's awful.
Yeah, we just gotta send it to brokerage, and this is a way for them to.
David Dahl for the Rockies. It's a scam. Stinking girls pulling scams on us. Good luck. Jesse Winker, refractor auto for the Reds, 71 of 199. Those Reds doing some work. And Juan Segura, refractor auto to 199 for the Brewers. Rookie auto. Juan, Gene, John, and something else. John Muffin Singleton for the Astros to 199. Got a striker Trahan for the D-backs. Tyrone Taylor for the Brewers. And a gold Dan Straley, number to 50 for the Athletics. Nice looking card. Those golds sure are pretty this year.
Could be better.
Brett Lowry and another dude on the Bluejays. Darnod. Devin Marrero, it's our second one of him for the Red Sox. Getting ready to bunt right there. Come on, focus. There you go. Our second one of this guy, Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Nice one to double up on. As well as Kevin Gossman. That was a double up pack. Hit every one of those guys. I think these two were in this first pack together. Yep. With Luke Bard. Or a duo or something. Got a gold. It's a nice gold. Jerickson Profar for the Rangers. Very nice. 8 out of 50. Rangers. Caddy 305. Very nice. Profar. Second, Carson Kelly for the Cardinals. Oops, sorry. Refractor auto Kyle Zimmer to 199 for the Royals. First Royal. Prospect autograph of Corey Seager for the Dodgers. And the redemption. Very nice, Corey Seager. It's our first Dodger and our first Royal. Dodgers is gdubb, and Royals is Oil Fan 14. Got an AJ Griffin to 199. Refractor. Mitch Ney, Blue Jay. Second one of him. Jamie Callahan, Red Sox, second one of him. It's the all-sticker pack. And Tony Renda for the Nationals, second one of him. Double up, double up, double up. Double trouble. Box 4. Good luck. Last chance. Box breaking bros. Irv.
Yo.
Oh, yeah, we'll get you a box breaking bros.
Alright.
Show you those. Everyone will find it. Oh, I missed.
Gold cards.
Will Middlebrooks and Jackie Bradley Jr. Boston Red Sox duel next in line. Another Steve Clevenger refractor auto for the Cubs. It's our second one of that. Wow. We have our second Joey Gallo. And our second Nolan Fontana. Starting to see some themes in these packs. Okay.
63. That equals 5 times 8, 40, 103. Just for the grading.
Alright, sorry. Willie Peralta got distracted, had to answer a PM. For the Brewers to 199 refractor. Wants the even one. Another Jonathan Shoop. For the Orioles, got him again. And another Bear Barnes. Got him again. And is this going to be a duplicate too? Probably. Victor Roach for the Brewers. Oh, these guys doubling up. Some guys still need their first. Take a double up of some purple or some gold. Jeez Louise. Tijuan Walker, Mariners. There's 199. Travis Jankowski for the Padres. Wow, that's our first one of him. It's a new guy. New guy. Didn't have him yet. Didn't have Courtney Hawkins either. Oh boy. New pack. Sick. Oh my god.
We got him.
We got the 1/1 Billy Hamilton red refractor autograph.
What? Sick. Who's got the red?
The bus.
Wow. Going all the way to Hong Kong.
1/1. Billy H! Oh my goodness.
Great.
God. Oh my god. That's a freaking huge card right there, man. Woo! Wow. So nice. Dang. Alright, gotta finish it off. God, he for sure can get it out. Wow. Edward Cabrera, gold for the Rockies. I'm sure that's sick. Number to the 50. Man, let's... It's got some scratching going on. I don't think it'd be a 9.5, unfortunately, to the surface, but there you go. One more look. Get him in a sleevey. McGeevy. Sick. Edward Correa, number to 50. Ooh, and we got another gold. We got a gold Pierced Johnson. Numbered out of 50. 27 out of 50. Pierced Johnson gold for Cubs. And Jamie Jarman for the Rangers. Jamie Jarman for the Rangers. And a redemption. Starling Marte, rookie auto refractor. It's very nice for the Pirates. Wow. Colton Wong for the Cardinals.
I like to be a motherfucking hustler.
What? Got this guy again, James Ramsey, second one of him. Cardinals. Kevin Plawecki, second one of him for the Mets. And Steven Piscotty for the Cardinals, second one of him. Let's keep stacking. Billy H. Red, oh my goodness. Let's talk about before we do the last pack. Let's look at him one more time. Oh my gosh, that's him. I wish it was mine. Jay Bettis 32, crazy man. What an animal. Lucky dude. We got a refractor in the last pack, plus a prospect thingamabobber. Prospect Challenge. Good luck. Last pack. Xander Bogaerts. It's a nice base for the Red Sox. Got a Tyler Skaggs refractor auto to 199. Reimer Liriano for the Padres. It's our first of him. First of both of those two. And Andrew Heaney for the Miami Marlins. Your Prospect Challenge. That is the break. We got a total of 3 gold autos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 regular auto, refractor autos. Oops, sorry. 7. 1 purple, 2 gold base, and 1 red Billy Hamilton. Product hit status. Oh, how many? I think they have, well, this would have been the only 101 a couple years ago. Now they make Canary and Superfractor, huh? So actually, there's probably 3 101s of Billy Hamilton in this stuff. Maybe there's another one I don't even know about. Anyway, thanks. Peace.